Before I go surfing, Taylor wants to take me out on a run around the bay aboard the Miss Lily. What's your name?
Dave.
And what are you taking us out on the boat?
Yeah, I'm going to take you out on a little tour.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And it's your boat?
No, my buddy owns the boat. But,
okay. He lets you drive it?
I'm going to be skipper today, I think. So.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
So where are we going to go on this adventure?
Wherever you want to go, we can take you.
Yeah, perfect. All right, I'll get suited up and we get on the go.
Sounds good.
Awesome. Well, I think I got everything. I'm ready for my next adventure. I can't wait, so here I go. Well, here we are aboard Miss Lily going on an adventure. Pretty fun, hey?
Deadly day.
With a bunch of strangers I don't know that own a cannabis plant. Gotta love it.
Take you on an adventure around Burin Bay. It's one of our favorite runs.
Oh, cool, sweet. Nice. Good vibes here.
Good vibes, always.
Man, this is just what I need. There's nothing better.
Beautiful day on the water.
So you're from here?
No, I'm from St. John's.
Oh, and
I moved out here when we took over the fish plant. And
okay.
One thing led to another, and we ended up staying.
Staying here. Wow. So this is your home?
This is our home now.
I lived in St. Lawrence my entire life, and honestly, I didn't even know this place existed. And it's paradise. What's this life about? It's about having fun.
Yeah.
And you gotta find it, we found our work is fun for us. Also the scenic Newfoundland, and we just love every bit of it.
We never had a boat, and when we came out here and started living it, we saw the other people out every summer's day, see everybody out on the boats, and this is why. You come around and see all these different islands, everybody has cabins on them, and you can go spend a day out in the water and you're sheltered. It's all bays. So we ended up buying a boat as well.
You know, I think Colin and Taylor got it all figured out. So we're just cruising along here now to Epworth, an old fishing community. Pretty cool.